Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy with bad knees. We'll start by understanding that strengthening the muscles surrounding your knees is key. This means focusing on exercises that don't put excessive stress on the joint itself. Always pay close attention to your body's signals, ensuring you stop any activity that causes discomfort. Consistency and correct technique are far more important than intensity when protecting your knees. Now, let's talk about some specific exercises. Wall squats are excellent for building quad strength without direct knee impact. Aim for 3 sets. Straight leg raises help strengthen the muscles at the front of your thigh. Don't forget hamstring curls, which are crucial for balancing the strength around your knee joint. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase repetitions or resistance as your strength improves. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. On another note, staying sturdy often means eating well. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Beyond exercises, lifestyle choices significantly impact knee health. Wearing supportive shoes can make a big difference in how your knees feel throughout the day. If recommended by a professional, a knee brace can offer additional stability. Maintaining a healthy weight is also vital, as every extra pound adds pressure to your knees. Finally, a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can help manage discomfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.